This is a 2008 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's red. It's got the V10. The box is a little bit beat up on this truck, and it's missing a tailgate. So if you're looking for a truck to put a bale bed on, or a flatbed with a creep feeder or something, this would be a great candidate. V10's got tons of power, and you can buy it at a good price because of the bed. It's got the shift on the floor. It does have a factory brake controller, automatic transmission. Truck has 106,000 on it, runs good, drives good. Make a great work truck. If you want to stop by 1500 East Main in Bismarck, check it out. Look us up on the web at jimstrucks.com and give us a call at 701-223-1057.